In this video, you'll learn how to change the text notification sound on your Google Pixel 8. By following these steps, you will customize your device's alert tones to better suit your preferences. Start by unlocking your Google Pixel 8 and locating the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer. Once you open the app, scroll down until you find the option labeled Sound and Vibration. Tap on this option to access the audio controls for your device. Within this section, look for settings related to notifications. You will find an option called Default Notification Sound. Tap on it to proceed further, as this will allow you to customize your alert tones easily. After tapping on Default Notification Sound, a list of available tones will appear on your screen. Browse through the different sounds presented to you. When you find a sound that appeals to you, tap on it to preview how it sounds. Make sure to choose a tone that is easy to recognize and suits your personal preference. You can select from the built-in sounds provided or opt to add custom audio files if you have any. It is important that the selected tone is clearly audible, as this will help you identify incoming messages quickly. Once you've selected your preferred notification sound, confirm your choice by tapping on it. After confirming, you can exit the settings menu. The changes will apply automatically, ensuring that your new notification sound is set. To verify that the new tone is working correctly, send yourself a test message. This will allow you to hear the updated alert tone in action. If you find that the new sound does not meet your expectations or you wish to try something different, you can easily return to the default notification sound option in the settings menu. From there, repeat the process of selecting a different sound until you find one that fits your needs. Customizing your notification alerts ensures that you are always aware of incoming messages without missing important communications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.